Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Among the warmth of dozens of artisanal fishermen of the province of Manabi, in a privileged natural environment, the Salesian Polytechnic University of Quito has launched a project of innovation and sustainability of artisanal fishing that will benefit more than 8,000 families linked to this activity in the cantons of Sant Vicente, Canoa and Pedernales, thanks also to the contribution of over $2 million from the Italian Agency for Development Cooperation. In his speech, Don Juan Cardenas, rector of the Salesian Polytechnic University, underlined the collaborative and innovative character of the project, developed in a cooperative way with those who are part of the territory. Our task as a university is not only to provide training, which is about directly professionalizing training, but to truly educate, to help people build their mission in life so that we will have individuals capable of fulfilling their social role, he said. The 24th General Chapter of the Institute of Daughters of Mary Help of Christians was officially inaugurated last Friday, September 17, 2021 at the Generalate Mary Help of Christians in Rome. At 7 a.m., Father Pascual Chavez Villanueva, Rector Major Emeritus, presided over the Eucharistic celebration, animated by the Inter-Inspectorial Conference on Africa and Madagascar, with songs and dances that expressed the joy of the feast and the meeting. This was followed by the celebratory moment during which Mother General Mother Yvonne Raingold officially opened the GC24 of the FMA on the theme, "Do Whatever He Tells You," Gospel of John chapter 2 verse 5, generative communities of life in the heart of contemporaneity. Responsibility is the main theme of the new video of Cagliaro Live, the series of videos promoted by the sector for the missions and linked to the Salesian intention of the month. For this month of September, the emphasis is precisely on responsibility, remembering that the way I live counts. In the video, always lasting 1 minute, it is emphasized that our world is suffering due to the consequences of incorrect behavior. Many people, unfortunately, think that they can do nothing to change things. As Christians, however, we must answer, yes, we can. This month's video therefore poses a fundamental question: what can I do to live more responsibly? The Cagliaro Live of September is realized by the DBIEM team of Paris and is available in Italian, English, Spanish, French and Portuguese on the YouTube channel of the Sector for the Missions. The project Salesian Solidarity with Italy, the emergency response to COVID-19 funded by the American Government Agency for International Development (USAID), which for 15 months has supported support actions to vulnerable sections of the population affected by the consequences of the pandemic in Italy, is about to end. The Salesian network that implemented the project composed of VIS International Volunteering for Development, Salesians for Social Apps, CNOS FAP and Salesian Missions USA, the Salesian Missionary Procurators based in New Rochelle in the United States has operated in 16 Italian regions, reaching 24,480 people, including teachers, girls, boys, young people, needy families and migrants. Consultations continue with the Councillor for the Africa and Madagascar region, Father Alfonso Owodu, in view of the appointment of the provincials and provincial councils of the new provinces of Southwest Africa and Northwest Africa. After meeting the Salesians who work in Senegal, in Dakar, the Salesians of Gambia in Kunkunjang and those of Guinea, the regional councillor went on September 17 to Ouagadougou to meet the Salesians of Burkina Faso. His round of consultations took him the next day to Mali and will be completed with 3 more stages until next September 30th in Côte d'Ivoire, Togo and Benin. On September 15, in the chapel of the Seminario Don Bosco, during the Mass presided over by the director, Father Renato Molina, the Ministry of Acolyte and Lay Lettorato was conferred on 16 Salesian clerics. On Saturday, September 11, in the church Holy Mother of Freedom in Zagreb, 8 Salesian novices made their first profession. The Eucharist was presided over by Father Tihomir Sutalo, Superior of the Salesian province of Croatia. On 8 and 9 September, at the Provincial House of South Argentina, a workshop was held on the theme Dialogue on School Pastoral Care and Spaces for the Explication of the Faith. The event, held in presence, was organized by the Provincial Team of Schools IEE in Spanish, with the aim of creating a proposal to be presented to the Provincial Council in view of the elaboration of provincial guidelines on spaces for the explication of the faith in schools and study plans. On Friday, September 17, 2021, the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA celebrated the official opening of its General Chapter 24, scheduled until October 24th at the Generalate of Rome. On this occasion, here are some data on the FMA Institute in the world. The Daughters of Mary Help of Christians are 11,535. There are 69 provinces and 5 provinces. They are divided into 9 interspectorial conferences and are located in 97 nations on 5 continents. In Europe, the first house is in Italy and is that of the foundation of the Institute, opened in Mornis on August 5, 1872. The Institute crossed the borders of Italy in 1877, opening a community in France. In 1877, the first expedition of young FMAs departed for Montevideo, Uruguay. In 1891, they arrived in Asia in Bethlehem. On December 8, 1893, the first Daughters of Mary Help of Christians arrived in Africa, Mers El Kebir, Algeria. In the Marian year 1954, the FMA opened their first house in Brooklyn Park, Australia. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.